Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this quick tutorial today I am going to show you how I went about creating this, what I'm calling my Baroque Unicorn Nails. Very elegant. I really love how these turned out. This is actually a recreation of a design that I did a few weeks ago, and I posted on my Instagram, and I received a request from Lena. Hi Lena, my friend Lena, to do a tutorial on this, so I figure I will go ahead and recreate it. My nails are a little bit longer, but I wanted to talk a little bit about the products that I use. The key ingredient was this foil stamping polish from Mora. Okay, I've had this for quite some time now. I've given it test drives with these cheapy foils and I had no luck, guys, nothing. And so I was almost giving up, not realizing that I've had, I don't know, stashed out in somewhere. This is a very good quality foil that I've had from this brand, and it came as a gift included in an order of these nail brand cat eye polishes that I ordered from Russia a long time ago. I didn't even realize I hadn't forgotten that I had this foil. I figure it was a very good quality foil, and that's when it dawned on me, let me give this Moira foil stamping polish another try with this. This has to be a good quality foil. Sure enough, I was not disappointed at all. I was very surprised, very pleased with the results. So I need to get my hands on more good quality foils, because this is the only one that I have available. And so yeah, anyway, so I will go ahead and leave you guys with the tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy.